I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone supports Esim and is on the latest iOS. Once done, open Settings and go to Cellular so you can add a plan. You need the carrier QR, activation code, or the carrier's app, so have it visible. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and disable any VPN that could block activation. You'll also note your existing number if you plan to transfer it, because that helps avoid accidental line removal. Next, you activate by choosing Settings, Cellular, add cellular plan, and scanning the QR code the carrier provided. This writes the Esim profile directly. If the carrier uses an app, open it and follow the on-screen activation steps instead, because apps can automate verification. If you're moving a line from another iPhone, use transfer from nearby iPhone, keep both devices unlocked, and confirm the transfer codes shown. Make sure to accept any carrier term. Finally, set which line is default for cellular data, voice, and messages in cellular settings. This prevents call or data routing mistakes. Once the profile shows active, restart your iPhone and verify signal bars, and that calls succeed. If you don't see service, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then retry activation. If that fails, remove the Esim profile and re-add it or contact your carrier for a refresh. Keep your IMEI and activation info handy, because carriers often request them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.